This week, link one debit order or more to your bank account on the Nedbank Money app to stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung tablet up to the value of 20,000 Rand. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Esperance 1. I'm joined by Tammy.
Oh, Thibo, grab me out.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not.
What is wrong, Tammy? How do you feel?
I can simply say, Hore, the success of a jealous man is to see the downfall of a successful man.
Yeah.
But anyway, we congratulate Mamelodi Sundowns for featuring thing.
Yes.
I mean, semi-final. Asitia among le mang ke cappuccino. Though it was not on merit.
Yes.
Though it was not on merit. I think game A already they had lost it on emotionally because Aki Shebeleti media conference sabona, you know, the complaints, everything that I was alluding to. Or our confidence, you say you're talking about 4 years, yet you are to play a semi-final. It just shows or exposing what I've been saying about emotional intelligence. What are you saying to your players?
Yes.
But anyway, they lost the homework. Formation during AFCON, they didn't utilize that.
Yes.
Number 2 in Mudau,
yes.
Quality player, number 1 right bank, Bafana.
Yes.
He has proven beyond or is by far one of the best.
Right.
Yes, but number 2 about Divine Lunga.
Yes.
I mean number 3 he was very good. Oh, he is good anyway. But again, I still question the inclusion of a center back Kutie.
Yeah.
But no, I'm not taking anything away from him in terms of quality and stuff. But the guy has not been playing in a long time. I mean, you playing him in such a big game, so for him to be last man of defense. But anyway, I mean, coach still has his own opinion about the game.
Yes.
I still question the not Tembinko Siloch. I can tell you without any shadow of a doubt, he's by far the most expensive player from a PSL team to a PSL team. And how dare you put him on the bench? So I still question that. Arguably the best player in the last decade in Tembazwani.
Yes.
Arguably there's a serious argument between him and Dr. Kumar, and how dare you again put him on the bench? Jersey number 8 I still question Nelson Mandela Litabombeki. Okay, but anyway, but I understand the logic behind that. He was playing Rhulani Mukwena nasebetsa ko Eskom today. Nasebetsa nadlala di overhead ball. He was playing football that he's not used to.
Explain.
Yes, I was watching the ball. Mamelodi Sundowns for over the years, okay. They are known for playing shoeshine and piano. This is the football that has been playing of recently. But today, because of emotional illiteracy,
yes.
But the aerial ball,
yeah,
they were relying more on their Tassante.
What's that?
It's an Italian word for number 9.
Okay.
Yes, Shalulile.
Yeah, okay.
Unfortunately, he poses danger of burning the stadium. Hattori matches. Hence, we advise people not to bring their petrol in the stadium. He had those 2-3 chances because the player that was playing, the player that was playing behind him, it was the likes of Ribeiro, a Brazilian player gifted on the foot. How Shaba players are they are gifted on the foot. I still ask myself, the system used, it was set up for failure from their own coach. I still wonder, how do you are not called shoeshine and piano by fluke. It's because you can play the ball and you can unlock the ball. And I said this prior to the games. Sundowns has been winning 11 games in a row. Yet you don't win convincingly.
Yes.
But people criticize us because they look at the color of our skin and the color of the t-shirts that we are wearing,
yes,
rather than the sense and logic. Because they have decided today not to hear from Kaltsebe.
Yeah.
You cannot, and when you are a modern a modern day coach. A modern day coach, look at the height of players that they are playing against.
Yes.
If Udlaladi players still carrying, they are tall.
Yes.
And they are proven who they can defend aerial balls. How do you play aerial balls Udlalali bona? It just shows weakness.
Yes.
And bunyani, not bunyani by age, but bunyani by football and tactics.
Yes.
You panic when you're supposed. They were not supposed to lose this game. I still say.
Yes.
Again, however, you check at the record there. These guys, the last game about win Sundowns. I'm talking about CAF games.
Yes.
The game before they drew, the game before they won.
Yes.
The last 5 games they won, and how winning a bigger margin. Baushapa won and they defend. Baushapa won by defender. But this game they didn't lose today. By lose it the other game. Abadala away.
Yeah.
They played 3-4-3 and it was unnecessary because Udala away with a team that is proven that it can defend Katsila EU. You are going for a win away, Usana advantage. Yeah, the 12th man who happens to be your supporters.
Yeah.
I mean, Sundowns gives you the edge in terms of supporters.
Yes.
In terms of Bakhona it's a ticket 20 rand.
Yes.
Gate mahala. And you don't take that as an advantage. You understand? Because Rhulani was supposed to, we want a bus in the bus. Never pakile train kahi. And if you are playing in this league, you're still complaining about low block. You are being exposed because bigger teams they don't complain about low blocks and stuff.
Preach.
Remember, I did say football is played on and off the field.
Preach.
When you're having the ball, you know, in the generation because 2000 and they're going to change football.
Yes.
Because football is now evolving. Player of the season in years to come.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because people would have realized that football is not played by how to ball of and these guys in Esperance, they've proven to us or how ball tactical discipline.
Yes.
Analyze it.
Yeah.
Why want a PhD today?
Tell me,
Kellogg's.
Tell me, please, let's be quick.
Yeah.
Can Rhulani Mukwena get a second star for Towns? Is he the man?
Rhulani Mukwena needs a serious guidance. I don't have a problem. I love his passion and stuff.
Yes.
But let me tell you something, Rhulani. Okasinke somebody who has a varsity qualification.
Yeah.
Ware alide ke motho nang le qualification ya go crash.
Right.
Not to say Rhulani is not good.
Yeah.
But you cannot put Rhulani ahead of Mangoba Mniti. If you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah, true.
But anyway, ha ke bue ntho tse batho ba di utlwisisang today. Ba tla di utlwisisa ka hosane. During the week I was being called all names and I'm not happy that I'm proving myself right.
Yes.
I thought it was going to take another 2 decades for me to be right.
Yes.
It was too soon for me to be right according to my standard. Yes.
Because you're in the future.
Yeah?
Because you're in the future.
By the way, it's not a fluke or national JJ or coach. I know ke thola miss call ya. Tanko.
Kupa man of the match.
Man of the match waka last man of defense. Yabona number 5 ya Bafana Bale. He didn't hold the ball. Maybe how ka shaba the ball tsa di shapileng. Ha khone lura ball. But he can manage the defense and everyone. Ha shaba after clear ball tsa ha di tsola kantle. But he's man of the match. You know why?
Why?
We think playing nice football wins you games. It's not. It's not. I was supposed to talk about a lot of things today.
Yeah.
But I don't want to talk about teams like Kaizer Chiefs that are called, that suffers from nostalgia.
What's that?
It's the will's desire for the past. You want people who wish and to the hall or the kahuta de not.
Will they?
Yes.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.